Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Biological Domain. Today we will learn about nervous tissue. So what is nervous tissue? As it is found in brain, spinal cord and nerves. Where nervous tissue is found? In brain, in spinal cord and in nerves. We know that brain is a control part of our body. Brain control all function which we do in our life process. So it is the center of body. So it's wherever we study about brain, spinal cord and nerves, that is nervous system. And if we talk about the unit of nervous system, means a cell of nervous system, that is divided into two types, that is neuron and neuroglial cell. What is neuron? Neuron, you can see this is the structure of neuron, one neuron. This is the structure of only one neuron and it is cell of nervous system. And neuron is further divided into two parts, cell body and neurites. Cell body means from where cell is formed, and cell occupy the spaces that is known as cell body. This is cell body in which RER, rough endoplasmic reticulums are present, which is known as Neisser's granules. What is rough endoplasmic reticulum? It is the part in the cell which forms the protein for the cell. Okay. So, neuron is divided into two, cell body and neurites. Neurites is further divided into dendrites and axon. Dendrites are the part which is look like a branched structure, and this is axon all. And if we talk about the neuroglial cell, it is found in a squamous cell. This is present here, and it is divided into two, microglial cell and macroglial cell. So this is all about the nervous tissue. And if we talk about the origin of nervous tissue, it is ectodermal origin. As we have seen that epithelial tissue origin is all the three germ layers, that is ectoderm, mesoderm and endoderm. And if we see the connective tissue, that's origin is mesoderm, and muscular tissue is also mesoderm. So, but nervous tissue origin is ectodermal. There is one exception in nervous tissue origin, that is of microglial cell, which we talked there, and it is mesoderm in origin. And property of nervous tissue is excitability and conductivity. Excitability is the property which is shared by both muscular tissue and nervous tissue. And conductivity we talked. So conductivity means conduction of impulses. This is the structure of neuron. You can see this is the upper part which is known as cytone, where cell body and RE are present, and their outer side is known as dendrites. There are so many dendrites are present, and in lower side there are axons are present, in which nodes of Ranvier, squamous cell, myelin sheaths are present. What is that? Nodes of Ranvier are the part which gap the two squamous cell, and myelin sheath cover the squamous cell. And this lower in, which is known as synaptic nodes, and this terminus is known as axon terminal, because axon ends here. So what the function of all the parts? Dendrites. Dendrites are the part in nervous tissue which collects signals from all parts of body, and it sends these signals to cell body. After that it passes through squamous cell, which is in myelin sheath, and it after that it converted into axon terminal, from where other neurons are connected. So this is all about the function of neurons. On the basis of their function and the structure, neurons are divided into many types like apolar neuron, unipolar neuron, pseudo-unipolar neuron, bipolar neuron and multipolar neuron. Let's talk about one by one. What is apolar? Apolar means there is no direction, means wherever the signals would be passed. Okay, and it is found in hydra. Next one is unipolar. In unipolar, there is only one direction from the signal pass, that is found in embryo, and here one cytone, one axon and no dendrites are present. We have seen what is cytone, what is axon and what is dendrite. Pseudo-unipolar. Pseudo means false unipolar. It's look that it is unipolar but it is not unipolar. And it is found in dorsal roots of ganglion of the spinal cord. And bipolar. Bipolar means direction in both direction, means impulses passes in both direction. It is found in retina of eye, nasal epithelium. And last, that is multipolar or myelinated neurons are present in CNS, central nervous system, that is brain and spinal cord. This is all about the nervous tissue introduction and the structure of neurons. We will talk neurons structure in detail in our another chapter. So that's all for the today. Thank you.